Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 17th of October. Taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see a low pressure trough and cold front making their way through New South Wales. That change pushing up the coast through the day. It'll be hot and windy ahead of that change, a little bit cooler behind it, but we will see thunderstorms triggered as this change comes through right across New South Wales. Elsewhere, we are going to see thunderstorms also continuing across parts of the tropical north, but more settled conditions are on the way for the west, much of central Australia, and even the southeast, with the exception of a showery day for Tasmania. Hot conditions are on the way tomorrow for much of the continent. Let's take a state-by-state look at that forecast now, starting with Queensland. The chance of morning fog across southeastern parts of Queensland tomorrow, then a generally dry and sunny day. The exception will be scattered showers about the north tropical coast, as well as the chance of a thunderstorm developing across those southern parts of the state later in the day. Now, those thunderstorms may impact the Gold Coast, but at this stage they're unlikely to push as far north as Brisbane. For Brisbane tomorrow, we're heading for a sunny day and a top of 28 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, a windy, cool change will be moving through. Very hot ahead of that change, shifting cooler behind it, with those winds particularly gusty along the east coast as the change moves through. Thunderstorms are forecast across much of the state, potentially severe storms through parts of the northeast and central east, including around the Hunter district, the Sydney Metro and parts of the Illawarra. Now, we have issued a dedicated severe weather update video for this system for tomorrow, including that storm risk, so you can find all of the details in that other video. For Sydney tomorrow, we're heading for a shower or two and a possible thunderstorm with a top of 32 degrees. Down in Canberra, a partly cloudy day with a top of 27 degrees. In Victoria tomorrow, a partly cloudy start with a few showers hanging around, the chance of an early morning thunderstorm across the far north. Those showers will generally ease back during the day, contracting to the south with low rainfall totals expected. Now, it will be a much cooler day tomorrow compared to what we're expecting on Thursday, particularly across those southern parts of the state. For Melbourne, we're heading for a shower or two, most likely in the morning, with a top of 19 degrees. In Tasmania tomorrow, a couple of low pressure troughs will be moving through, maintaining fairly scattered showers through the west, as well as the risk of some small hail about the west coast and the south coast. We are also likely to see the snow level lowering to around 700 metres through our Friday. In the east, showers will be much more isolated with some drier breaks in between. For Hobart tomorrow, we're looking at a shower or two on the forecast and a top of 16 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, partly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower or rumble of thunder through parts of the east in the early morning, clearing up as the day goes on. Mostly dry and sunny conditions are expected across the state. It will be hot though, particularly across those inland areas with temperatures well above average. For Adelaide tomorrow, a mostly sunny day with a top of 21 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, a hot day is on the way with temperatures particularly high across those southern parts of the state, 10 degrees or more above the October average. We will see a little bit of relief along the west coast through the afternoon as a bit of a sea breeze rolls through. That'll come in ahead of a cold front. Now, the cold front is expected to cross on the weekend, but we will start to see some cloud and showers building about the southwest corner later in the day. Those showers are not expected to reach Perth on our Friday, so we are looking at dry conditions for the capital, partly cloudy skies with a top of 29 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, hot and humid in the north with afternoon showers and thunderstorms developing once again, pushing back into those northern parts of the Kimberley and Western Australia as well. Rainfall totals will be fairly patchy, but they will likely be more moderate where those storms move directly overhead. Across southern parts of the territory, hot and dry conditions are continuing. For Darwin though, we are heading for a shower or two, a possible storm with a top of 36 degrees. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app and via our social media. And you can also find that information on the Bureau's new website, which will be launching next Wednesday, the 22nd of October. You can find the link for that new website in the post of this video. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.